What if your business had an employee who never slept, never missed a customer question, and could help grow your business around the clock? That's exactly what an AI agent does. Think of an AI agent as a digital team member. It can understand natural conversations, find information in real time, recommend the best solutions, and even complete tasks on your behalf. Instead of relying on scripted responses, AI agents use live data to provide accurate, personalized answers. They can learn customer preferences, adapt to different situations, and when something requires a human touch, they know when to hand the conversation off to your team. The result is faster service and a better customer experience. AI agents are changing how businesses operate. They provide customer support 24 hours a day, answer questions instantly, qualify new leads, schedule appointments, and handle repetitive tasks that would normally take valuable employee time. Imagine responding to customers at 3 o'clock in the morning without anyone on your staff being awake. While your team focuses on higher value work, your AI agent continues helping customers, generating leads, and keeping your business moving forward. The numbers speak for themselves. In 2026, more than 81% of businesses have implemented AI in their customer service operations. Around 80% of routine customer interactions are now handled entirely by AI agents. Nearly 78% of businesses report higher productivity after adopting AI tools. And many companies are saving minutes on every customer interaction, creating significant time and cost savings over the course of a year. AI isn't the future anymore. It's becoming the new standard. At Faster Solutions, we build AI agents that are designed specifically for your business. Whether you're in healthcare, manufacturing, real estate, retail, or another industry, we create AI solutions that understand your customers and your goals. If you're ready to see what a custom AI agent could do for your business, Faster Solutions is here to help. Request your free quote today, and let's build the future of your business together.